Hello folks, I'm back again with a new video. In all the videos of our React Django series, we have been discussed about Django and the React individually. But from this video, we are going to deal Django and the React combinedly. Now in this video, we are going to dive into integrating Django and the React so that we can create a full stack application. If you are new, don't forget to subscribe and stay updated for our latest videos. Yeah, let's get this party started. First, let's talk about why we need to integrate Django and the React. You know, Django is a powerful backend framework that helps you to handle data and the business logic. When we talk about React, React is a popular front-end library for building interactive UIs. So by combining these two, we can strengthen the technology to build a robust full stack application. To get this part started, you need to have Django and the React with some at least basic install. Yeah, if you are the subscriber of our channel, then you should be very clear about React and the Django, like we have already discussed them. If you are new to the channel, check out the playlist by clicking the I button above. So in this tutorial, in this video, let's integrate both of them so that we can use React for the front end and Django for the back end, and we can integrate databases even if we want. And yeah, for this, head to your terminal. Yeah, we need to activate our environment, right? Say /nv/scripts/activate to activate our environment. Okay, later this, and we need to move into our project. And yeah, let's run our Django development server. Python space manage.py run server. Okay, let's copy this sucker and create a new terminal which is used for activating React, and ls to list and cd to our project, which is my project. And from this, we need to go into React app and then say npm start to start our server in development. Okay, this sucker is getting time. Yeah, here we are toggling teams in our previous video. Like there are some new components I have worked on. Okay, let's do not talk about them. So here we are in our previous video, right? So now stop this server. Yeah, now we need to run a command so that we can get the build folder, which is essential for deploying this React front end with Django backend. Say in this React app, inside your React app, run the following command. Say npm run build. Yeah, it will take you some time. Go for a coffee break. So this, you got a build folder which is newly created, and inside your build folder you will have index.js file, which is index.html file, which is the entry point using which you deploy the React front end into the backend Django. And this build will also have the static files configured, and we'll see them how we can include them also. Yeah, build folder is now ready. Yeah, we have the static folder, right? Remember this. And that's the first step. In second step, go to the settings.py file in your Django backend, and in settings.py, here it is. Within your settings.py file, you need to import one thing, which is OS, and then Go to the templates folder. Say we have dies, right, directories. So at this point we need to say os.path.join. We need to join the base directory. Yeah, we need to connect to the base directory where it holds the path for the build folder. So followed by this, inside this single quotations, go with your app name, I mean React app name. In my case it's React app, followed by the build folder. Yeah, copy this, like we'll use this same again one more time. And this is meant for accessing the templates in your uh, React front end. And yeah, we need to configure static file directories where we are going to use this build. Inside the build we have the static folder, right? See, yeah, this is our React app. Inside our build we have static folder where our CSS and JavaScript and even images, if there are any, were stored and they are accessed in the backend. Yeah, here we are, previously we added up to React build only, and here we are adding static files also, so that static files are included right here. And control S to save. If you think our content is worthy, please like the video and consider subscribing to the channel. Now we need to configure views.py file inside your Django folder. Okay, the views are right here. So inside your views, you need to create a view for the, I mean, whatever it is there in your React app, say home page it will be. And for this, we need to import the render, like we have already imported. We are importing this from Django shortcuts, and we need to create a function, say, define, uh, like, do we have index previously? Yeah, we have index message, and we also have index, like we have used them all in our previous Django videos where we rendered HTML pages and along with that some stylings previously. Let's create another index.page. Let's create a function called React index. We pass request as the parameter, and in using this request we render the element which is say index.html actually. So we return the rendered element, like the element that is to be rendered, which is we passing request, and the file name is index.html. Of course this index.html is different, and control S to save. Like when we create a view we need to bind that with a URL, right? Hit your url.py and import the view that we have created. So from dot, I mean the same directory, import views, and then head here and create a path. Like previously we have index, right? Okay, let's use the same index, like we have removed this index now. So views dot what's the name? It's React index, right? Then let's do one thing, just remove all the views that we have created till now, and we also remove them from the URLs. Okay, using this I think that is more than enough. Now go to your backend and start the development server. So for this we go to our the Django. Okay, we are not running the front end. This is our backend, right? See, this is running on 1270.0.1, 8000 port, which is the Django, I mean, which is the backend part. I mean, we are now accessing React front end from the Django. Say we say toggle theme and everything is now working fine, right? Just like how everything is like how everything is working on previously inside the React app, it is now also working with Django backend also, but we are hosting that right now in the backend. Yeah, that's it, guys. That's what the integration of React and the Django looks like. So we have 5 steps. Sorry, we have 6 steps. Briefly, let's call back them once again. So go to your project, I mean the React project, and run npm run build, which will build a build folder for you, so that it will be helpful in deploying your front end to the Django backend. And we configure settings.py for both the templates and the static files also. And then we configured views, for which we use index.html from this particular, where is it, from this particular build folder that we have set. And finally we bind that view with a url, which is say, I mean this empty represents home page, right? And we have some unnecessary previously used urls and views, like we have removed them all. So yeah, in our upcoming videos we will see how you can post the data from front end, and you can store them inside your Django database and access them. For that, for which we use Axios, and we have much more to explore. Yeah, that's what about integration of React and the Django frontend. And that's it. We have successfully integrated Django and React to create a full stack application. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Programming Stuff for more tutorials like this. Thanks for watching and happy coding.